For number 11, you have a word problem, but let's not be scared of it, alright? So I have this equation here. And, well, and it represents, looks like, the yield. Okay, that's the yield for nitrogen level. Okay, K is a constant, a positive constant. That means K is a number, N is our variable, okay? Again, let's not freak out. Let's treat K like any other number. We're not going to plug in a number for K. We're just going to leave it as K, all right? So I'm talking about the best yield. So I have a function. I want to find the best of something. So I just want to find the maximum here. How do I find the maximum? I take a derivative, all right? So y is equal to k times n over 1 plus n squared. Okay, I can pull the k out in front and deal with it later, because it's well, I'm not going to pull it out there, but I'm going to do y prime is going to be equal to k times ddn of n over 1 plus n squared. So I pulled the k out of the derivative because it's just a number, and I don't really care about it right now. Okay? So I have a fraction. How do I take the derivative of a fraction? Well, I have quotient rule. So here's f, here's g. So f is n, g is 1 plus n squared. That means f prime is 1, and g prime is 2n. So y prime is going to be equal to k times f prime g minus g prime f all over g squared. Is going to look like this, minus, 2n times n all over g squared, 1 plus n squared. All right, so I'm going to set this equal to 0. Let's see. A fraction is equal to 0 when its numerator is 0. So all I need to know is when this is equal to 0. So I get 1 minus n squared is equal to 0. So n is going to be plus or minus 1. Let's see. Okay. So for part B, how do we know it's a maximum? Well, let's figure out which one of these is the maximum. Okay. So I do my little table. And, I need -1 and +1. So I want to figure out what's happening on the y derivative, and that'll help me figure out what's happening with y. Okay. So if I plug, let's do 0, 2, and -2. So, okay, our derivative was k times what? 1 times minus n squared, over 1 plus n squared. That n is crazy looking. Okay. This guy is always positive. Same with k, because k, you were told it's positive. So we only need to care about this, right? If I plug 0 into that, I'm going to be positive. If I plug 2 into that, I'm going to be negative. Same with negative 2. Okay? So here I'm decreasing, increasing, decreasing. That means 1 is my maximum and not